my dear, you left us for the land of no return. We can't bear this pain, our hearts are torn and burned. Oh my dear, you left us for the land of no return. We can't bear this pain, our hearts are torn and burned. Your family and kin were wounded deep inside, carrying scars of grief with nowhere left to hide. It hurts, it hurts, oh, hurt. Cross beneath the Eastran Stone that rolls. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. My precious one, my soul. I cannot bear this pain. Oh dear, please come back home again, back to our house, to where you belong. Oh my dear, I cannot bear to watch the path you tread through the valley of death, where shadows fill with dread. Your life now walks the edge of ruin and decay, but for your healing, Jesus waits for you today. The hem of his garment is there for you to touch. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Crushed beneath the Eastran Stone that rolls. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Because of you, the heavens fall on us. My precious one, my soul. I cannot bear this pain. Oh dear, please come back home again. Oh my dear, I cannot bear the road you walk alone. It leads to loss, to death, to dust and stone. For perfect healing, come and seek his face. Run to Jesus, find his saving grace. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Oh dear, please come back home again, back to our house for your healing. The hem of Jesus' robe is there for you to touch.